Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of achieving financial freedom where your money works for you instead of the other way around? Real estate investment trusts, commonly known as REITs, can be your ticket to a life of passive income and financial independence. Today, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about REITs, what they are, and how they work, why they're the ultimate tool for building wealth and beating inflation, how much you need to invest for a secure retirement in 10, 20, or 30 years, and advanced strategies to reduce taxes, reinvest dividends, and grow your portfolio faster. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand REITs, you'll have a personalized roadmap to building a portfolio that replaces your full-time income. First, let's define REITs. A REIT is a company that owns and manages income-producing real estate. But unlike buying physical property, REITs let you invest in real estate without the hassle of being a landlord. Here's why REITs are so powerful. 1. Consistent cash flow through dividends. By law, REITs must distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders in the form of dividends. This means you're essentially guaranteed regular payouts if the REIT is profitable. Imagine receiving quarterly or even monthly checks directly into your account. Unlike stocks that rely on share price appreciation, REITs are designed for income generation. Many REITs have a history of increasing dividends over time, which means your income grows even as you hold your shares. 2. Diversification without complexity. REITs offer a level of diversification that would be nearly impossible for an individual investor to achieve otherwise. They invest in different property types, commercial buildings, shopping malls, storage facilities, hospitals, and even communication towers. This diversification protects your portfolio. If one sector underperforms, like retail, others, like healthcare or data centers, can thrive. Plus, since REITs are traded on stock exchanges, you can buy and sell them easily, unlike traditional real estate, which is often illiquid. 3. Accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a millionaire to invest in REITs. Many REITs have share prices under $100, making them affordable even for beginners. Unlike buying rental properties, there are no closing costs, property taxes, or maintenance expenses. Some platforms even allow you to buy fractional shares of REITs, letting you start with as little as $10. How much money do you need to retire with REITs? Now let's tackle the big question. How much do you need to invest in REITs to retire comfortably? The answer depends on your timeline and financial goals. I'll break it down into 3 groups. Scenario 1. Retiring in 30 years. If you're in your 20s or 30s, you have time on your side. Here's what happens if you start with just $30 a week, roughly the cost of a few cups of coffee. In 10 years, your portfolio could grow to $32,500 through regular contributions and reinvested dividends. In 20 years, that could increase to $216,000, assuming an average return of 10% annually. In 30 years, your portfolio could reach $770,000, generating over $115,000 annually in dividend income. With patience and consistency, even small contributions can lead to life-changing results. Scenario 2. Retiring in 20 years. If you're starting in your 40s or early 50s, the focus should shift to higher contributions, starting with $30,000 and contributing $500 monthly. After 10 years, your portfolio could reach $125,000 thanks to compounding returns. In 20 years, you could build a portfolio worth over $1 million, providing $80,000 annually in dividends. Scenario 3. Retiring in 10 years. For those closer to retirement, aggressive saving is key, with $200,000 upfront and monthly contributions of $1,000. In 10 years, your portfolio could exceed $1.1 million, generating over $115,000 annually. This approach is ideal for those who can invest heavily upfront or have built savings over their career. Not all REITs are created equal. To maximize income and growth, You need a well-rounded portfolio. Here are 4 REITs that stand out. 1. Lamar Advertising, LAMR. What makes Lamar unique? This REIT specializes in outdoor advertising like billboards and digital displays. Revenue stability. Lamar's income comes from long-term contracts with advertisers, providing reliable cash flow even during economic downturns. Growth potential. With the rise of digital billboards and targeted advertising, Lamar is poised for growth. Dividend reliability. Lamar consistently delivers strong dividends, making it a favorite for passive income seekers. 2. Extra space storage, EXR. Industry resilience. The self-storage sector is recession resistant. Whether people are downsizing, relocating, or decluttering, the demand for storage remains strong. Market leadership. Extra space storage is one of the largest players in this space, boasting high occupancy rates and a history of expanding into new markets. Dividend growth. This REIT has a proven track record of increasing dividends year after year, rewarding investors with growing income streams. 3. American Tower Corporation, AMT. Strategic assets. This REIT focuses on communication infrastructure, owning wireless towers critical for mobile networks and data transmission. 5G revolution. With the global rollout of 5G technology, demand for American Tower's services is set to explode. Global presence. Operating in multiple countries, AMT diversifies its revenue streams, reducing dependence on any single market. 4. CubeSmart. Cube. Urban advantage. CubeSmart thrives in densely populated urban areas where space is at a premium. Consistent growth. The company continually invests in upgrading facilities, ensuring high occupancy and customer satisfaction. Strong returns. CubeSmart offers a balance of dividend yield and capital appreciation, making it an excellent long-term investment. Advanced strategies for maximizing REIT returns. Now that you know which REITs to consider, let's explore strategies to make your investments even more effective. Ahatin dati 3. 1. Reinvest your dividends. By reinvesting dividends, you let compound interest work its magic. For example, instead of cashing out a $1,000 dividend, reinvest it into more shares. Over 20 years, this can double your portfolio's value compared to taking dividends as cash. Many brokerage platforms offer automatic dividend reinvestment programs, DRIPs, making the process seamless. 2. Optimize tax efficiency. REIT dividends are taxed as ordinary income, which can eat into your returns. Here's how to minimize taxes. Use tax-advantaged accounts. Invest in REITs through a Roth IRA or 401k to shield your dividends from taxes. Track qualified dividends. Some REIT dividends qualify for lower tax rates. Consult a tax professional to maximize your deductions. Harvest tax losses. If your portfolio includes losing investments, sell them strategically to offset the taxes on your REIT income. 3. Diversify across REIT sectors. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Mix REITs from different sectors like residential, commercial, healthcare, and infrastructure to spread risk. For example, if retail REITs struggle during an economic downturn, healthcare REITs might perform well due to stable demand for medical facilities. 4. Monitor and adjust regularly. Review your portfolio at least twice a year. Are your REITs performing as expected? Are there better options on the market? Keep an eye on dividend growth rates, payout ratios, and market trends to ensure your investments remain on track. Building your personalized REIT portfolio. Let's put it all together. Here's how to construct a portfolio tailored to your goals and timeline. 1. Young investors, 30+ years to retirement. Focus on REITs with high growth potential like American Tower or Extra Space Storage. Contribute consistently, even if it's just $30 a week. Over time, compounding will do the heavy lifting. 2. Mid-career investors, 20 years to retirement. Combine growth-oriented REITs with higher yield options like CubeSmart. Contribute larger amounts monthly, around $500, and reinvest all dividends to accelerate growth. 3. Pre-retirees, 10 years to retirement. Prioritize REITs with stable, high dividend payouts like Lamar Advertising. Invest aggressively upfront and focus on reinvesting dividends for maximum income by retirement. The power of starting today. The beauty of REITs lies in their accessibility and scalability. Whether you're starting with $30 a week or $30,000 up front, the key is to begin today. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to reach your goals. Remember, every dollar you invest now can grow into $10, $100, or even $1,000 through the power of compounding. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your REIT portfolio today and take the first step toward living off passive income. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on passive income, investing, and financial independence. Let's turn your dreams into reality, one REIT at a time.